Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. This is Zarem. Today I'm going to show you a different vlog. And here my request is that before you start watching my channel, please don't forget to press the red button and never forget to turn on your bell icon to get more updated videos.
Hello guys, today I will let you know the most popular YouTubers in Dima Hasao district. Top number 1 is Sugli TV by Vishal. It is the most popular YouTubers in half. His channel he has 25,879 subscribers and viewers bola to 31,000 to 40,000 something वो मिल जाता है and I'll show you some samples.
What do you want, Gurukanto? I want to change my Facebook profile picture. Photoshoot korai diba sun.
I don't know. As you all know, he have 25,879 subscribers and he's a fun maker and never forget to subscribe his channel. और मिस्टर विशाल हम लोग को हंसाते रहेगा चलो. Again here is the top number 2. His life, it is a news channel.
Hello everyone, welcome to Hills Live TV. This is Alicia Melissa bringing you to News Bulletin. Hamran Forest Division C.
In this channel, you'll find the latest news of Dima Hasao district, Assam. In his life, there are 9,000 and above subscribers and a long blog by Daniel. It is the top 3 and he is a blogger. A long blog have 8,500 above subscribers. If we talk about his viewers, he have 32 above viewers and he is also a good singer and he loves the youngster. And let's see how he speak.
So Avantika is going to Manu's place.
As we know, नाम भी हाफलोंग ब्लॉग है इसलिए तो वो हाफलोंग हिंदी में ज़्यादा बोल देता है easy understanding के लिए and he know he can speak very well every language like Hindi, English. Till then he lastly top number 4 is Talks TV by Lazar Pakhongte. He's also one of the blogger in Haflong living in the Dima Hasao district. Here I will let you know how many subscribers and viewers he have. And he have subscriber 4,300 above subscribers. और इसका viewer बोला तो 8,000 and above. And I will show you some sample of his video.
Hello friends, welcome back to Talks TV and
But why are you so restless? Kubor not payment eh? Kubor no sabak le barabo.
कबर टमाटर है कबर खाओ होता है कबर खाओ. थैंक यू सो मच एंड अभी तक मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया और अपने अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब करो और बेल आइकन को जरूर दबाना. प्लीज press it and get more updated videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next video.